Hello, my dear students. This is Balaji Physics. Today we will discuss errors done by students in GTM-C3. This given problem belongs to parallel plate capacitor. Here we have 6 identical plates. The area of each plate is given A and separation between the two plates is given D. This diagram can be redrawn as like this. First give numbering to the plates. Here according to the question, third plate and fourth plate are connected to battery. And second plate and fifth plate are connected like this. First and 6 are connected like this. Observe carefully. 2, 5 are neutral plates, 1, 6 are neutral plates. So due to induction, this third plate positive attracts negatives and repels positives. Similarly, this fourth plate negative attracts positive and repels negative. Same way due to induction, here you will get negative charge, here you will get positive charge. Same way here also, due to this negative charge, positives will be attracted, negatives will be repelled. Now, we will redraw the circuit. From this positive, third plate positive forms a capacitor with fourth plate negative. This was done. Third plate positive, fourth plate negative connected here. Now, from this third plate positive, second plate negative, another capacitor. Third plate positive, second plate negative, another capacitor. Now this second plate connected to fifth plate. Second plate connected to fifth plate. Fifth plate positive forms a capacitor with fourth plate negative. Fifth plate positive forms a capacitor with fourth plate negative and connected to negative. This is also done. Now, again, second plate positive forms a capacitor with first plate negative. You can see here, from this second plate, from this 2, second plate positive forms a capacitor with first plate negative and is connected to sixth plate. Sixth plate positive forms a capacitor with fifth plate negative, again connected to 5. If you observe carefully, 2 and 5 connected to same point, here potential same, there will be no current flow, here current flow will be 0. So these two capacitors are useless. Now these two are in series formula C by 2. And it is parallel, C plus C by 2, 3C by 2. So we know that each capacitor C equal epsilon A by D. So according to the given question, so we can get answer K value 1. Here they mentioned it is 3K epsilon A by 2D, K value 1 here. Next question. In longitudinal stationary wave, there is a maximum transfer of energy across displacement node mentioned. China, at displacement nodes, transfer of energy will be minimum. So first option wrong. Next, to understand second, third, fourth, we should know this concept. At a displacement node, you should have maximum pressure change. Displacement node, maximum pressure change, pressure antinode. And a displacement antinode, you should have minimum pressure change, that is pressure node. In second option, maximum increase of pressure at displacement antinode mentioned. At displacement antinode, pressure maximum mentioned, that is wrong. Third option also wrong. Fourth option, pressure at a displacement antinode. At a displacement antinode, pressure will be minimum. Pressure change will be minimum. That means when wave was not there, how much pressure will have? We will have same pressure. So due to that, fourth option will be correct. Next question. A hot bar placed under a running tap loses heat by convection, the surface of the bar and water, and not by conduction within the water. So here heat loss is due to convection, they are telling, not by conduction. Here heat loss takes place due to both conduction and convection, both. So first option wrong. Conduction is the reason behind trade wind. No, it's wrong here. Convection is the reason for trade wind. Convection is the reason for trade wind. Convection involves bulk transport of different parts of fluids. In convection, fluid particles transfer takes place. Third option correct. Natural convection is responsible for cooling system of automobile engine. No, it's wrong here. It is not natural convection. It should be forced convection. Force convection is responsible for cooling system for automobile engine. Come to next question. The Earth's surface has a negative surface charge density. The potential difference of 400 kV between the top of the atmosphere and the surface results due to low conductivity of the lower atmosphere. In a current of only 800 amps over the entire globe, if there were no mechanism of sustained atmospheric electric field, how much time would require to neutralize the Earth's surface? The question was, let us assume that it was the Earth, here having some charge Q. Now the question was, what is the time taken to neutralize the Earth? Current formula charge by time. Sigma charge by area. You can substitute sigma charge here. Now we are asked to find time taken to neutralize. So T equal to sigma 4 pi radius of the Earth and I is the current. Substitute here to get time taken to neutralize the Earth's surface. Next, important. Here we have two components of currents. One is DC component, other is AC component. So then the reading of hot wire ammeter they are asking. Total heat generated is heat due to DC plus heat due to AC. Heat due to DC formula, heat due to AC formula. Net heat I want. Due to DC, so current formula will be 3. So 3 square. RT cancel. Current due to DC is 3. IRMS formula I naught by root 2. Here I naught value 4 root 2 by root 2 whole square. So net RMS current I want. You can find from here. Next question. There are n null points in a triangle formed by 3 identical point masses at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Then n is. Here we have 3 particles and at centroid you can see here this mass attracts like this with a gravitational field E. Even this mass is attracted in this way, gravitational field E. Here also gravitational field E. These 3 are equal and same angle. So net electric field will be 0. You will be having only one neutral point possible. Next question. A bit of mud stuck to a bicycle front wheel and radius R detaches and is flung horizontally forward when it is at the top of the wheel. So a mud particle reaches at the top, it leaves the wheel with a horizontal velocity. Here for pure rolling of a wheel, center of mass velocity V, then bottom velocity will be 0 on the ground and the top velocity becomes 2V. So now it is a horizontal projectile when it leaves at the top. So S equal to ut plus half a square along x-axis. X-axis displacement is nothing but range. Velocity along x-axis 2V. Time t. X-axis no acceleration. Time of descent formula root of 2h by g. H means here 2r. Substitute to find range. Again we will meet in next video to discuss students' errors in GTM. Thank you.